Okay, let's move on to string interpolation. So I'm going to clear this out. So string interpolation. So this is also a shortcut and to make your life easier when you're developing LWC, and we will be using JavaScript for sure. Alright, so what is this for? So let's do it the old way without string interpolation. For example, we have a product, it's called a bike or bicycle, and we have the price for the product, say $100, and then we want quantity of it, it's 3 bike. Okay, so the old way, if I want to console.log or however you want to manipulate these 3 variables, if I want to say this product costs how much, right? So I would say this, the product is a bike, right? And I'm going to say plus bike, right? This bike, not this bike, this product, right? The variable is product. And I'm missing a whole bunch of stuff there. Look at that. I'm too anxious to teach you stuff. I even forget the let. So let product, or this bike, right? And then it's gonna call, it's gonna say cost, and you put dollar amount, and you put the price, right? For example, like so. So if I save that, and let's see how it's going to print out. This bike cost $100. So what if 3 of this bike, right? So if I say console.log, for example, quantity, like 3, right? Of see, it's already showing how complicated and time wasting this is. 3, and then you type of with a space of this, right? Of this what? Of this bike, right? Plus the variable name of this product, which is a bike, and then plus will cost you, right? And then you multiply here, will cost you, and dollar, right? And then you put the actual quantity times what? Price. So quantity, like 3 of this bike will cost you the dollar sign, and then 3 times price, 3 times 100, $300. Save, come on, trying to save here, come on Salesforce. Alright, refresh. So 3 of this bike will cost you $300. Well, this is the old way of how you do stuff without the string interpolation. So let's make this simpler and faster, shall we? So to do this one, I would say console.log. So string interpolation is enclosed with a backtick. This sign, backtick is right on my Mac keyboard, is on the left side of the number 1, right? So number 1, the left side is the backtick. Okay, so that's a backtick. So I'm gonna say right on like this, like just type this product, or not this product, this I'm gonna say this is like a variable product, right? Cost dollar, the actual dollar sign, and then the variable price. Boom, and you're done. Oh, forgot the closing backtick. So basically the variable is like that. It starts with a $sign, just like if you do PHP programming language, it starts with a $sign, but then it starts with the curly brackets like so, right? So this product, this is the product value, which is this, which will be a bike, cost, the price value, the value of the price variable, which is 100 with a $sign in front. So let's save that. Saving, flip, boom. This bike costs $100. Much faster and easier, right? So for this one, console.log. Now your turn. Start with the backtick, okay, on the left side of the number 1. So backtick, I'm going to say quantity of this product, which is a variable, will cost you $, the actual $ letter, and then this is also a variable. Now I'm gonna quantity multiply by price. Oops, no need for that. So backtick, I forgot the backtick, close with the backtick. So this is way more easier and convenient for you to code without the plus, and you have to figure out the spacing and the spacing here, right, to make it look nice. So when you combine stuff, it's just all one go. You just keep typing and just combine the variable with that, but it will need to be encapsulated by 2 backticks like that. So if I save that, save, and flip, and refresh, boom. 3 of this bike will cost you $300. Now it makes sense, right, to use string interpolation. So for example, what you do in Salesforce, if you want to, for example, combine the URL, for example, call out URL, right, equals, you don't want to do like HTTPS your org.salesforce.my.salesforce.com, and then you do that, and then you actually have to do that, and then you go plus, right, record ID, right, like that. No need for that. So let callout equals that, and if you say let record ID equals 003 and then whatever like that. So if I console.log callout URL, this is the old way to do it, right? Still waiting for the save there. So you have this, it's combined, right? But now we can do a string interpolation way. So instead of doing that, I'm going to do backtick, and take this out. And this is a variable, so it's a $sign and bracket there. See? So now it's HTTPS your org.my.salesforce.com / oh, we don't even need the plus there. So $record ID and that, and this will print the exact same thing. If I flip back and refresh, same thing. So that's how you do string interpolation, combining stuff. All variables will look like that, start with a $sign and then encapsulated by the curly brackets, and you can do any kind of data manipulation inside the curly brackets, like math operating or string and whatever you want to operate inside here, it also will be done. So that's pretty much it for the string interpolation. Please type this with your own 10 fingers. Try this on, combine stuff the string interpolation way, and get the hang of it. And then you're going to use this a lot when developing LWC. Alright, I'll see you on the next one. Bada bing, bada boom. Hit that subscribe button and explore new Trailhead grounds and learn to implement the most useful and popular apps on the Salesforce App Exchange. And do yourself a favor, like this video, and you'll be surprised on how much more you understand when watching this same video after liking it. Don't take my word. Watch this one more time after you like the video and see it for yourself. Bada bing, bada boom.